What it do, guys? We are back to Spaz the Riches with another reaction video, and this one is mukbangers almost choking on their food. Mm, these mukbangers do be taking some pretty big bites. But anyway, please like and subscribe to the channel and like the video. You know that's what I mean. And hit that post notification button. Let's dive right on into this. I ain't gonna lie, them noodles and that chicken right there, that little smack. I like me some sesame seed chicken. I don't know about y'all, but I like that. I ain't mean to pause that right there. Oh, the freaking mic. Yo, did y'all see how big that piece of chicken was? She just stuffed it in her mouth like that? And she stuck it all off the bone. Like, bruh, don't... That piece of chicken had to have another piece of bone to it. We all seen that, right? Like, that's crazy, yo. No. That, well, bruh said she a sucker, a nigga, so that's her. Yo, she is vicious. Real talk. Like, yo. No, she will devour you, bro. Like, that's a black hole. Gay. Gay. Yo, no, you're not supposed to do that like that, bro. And I don't know if this is mayonnaise or whipped cream on these burgers over here, but no, I think these are burgers. This ketchup and none of this at the bottom to me looks good. I know to a lot of y'all probably do, but none of this look good. Sunny side up, I don't even like it. So. Now that look good. I don't know what it is, but it look like it's fried or whatever. Now over here, I hope that's onion or maybe it's bologna or something, cause that look raw. But the look whatever's in them wraps, they look good. I know exactly where he got that from. That's from Sheets. I know because I stuffed my burrito just like that. Yeah, my dude, I don't know what that white stuff over here is, but I stuffed my burritos just like that. They be big and everything. I don't take a bite of it out of it like that because, like, bruh got issues. My jaw don't unhinge that fast or that wide, but I know where he got that from. Look, it's even in the same wrapper.
I love that added touch.
Ain't no real talk. Them joints, they be good. Um, Nah, if y'all never had one of those type of burritos from Sheets, it's worth it. Them things be good. They be smack. But anyway, if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And you know, we already know, like I said before, I'm on the road to 1 million subs. I'm trying to make 1 million subs this year. So if you got any videos that you would like to see me react to, or challenges you would like to see me do this year, leave a link down and leave it into the comments. Put it all in the comment, and I'll go back. I'll read them and I'll do. Period. Deuces.